Welcome to all. This is Jayati Bhardwaj, and today I'm going to present the topic Introduction to Data Analytics. Uh, Data analytics, before going to the details of data analytics, these are the outline of the today's presentation: the introduction, the types of data analytics, tools of data analytics, steps for carrying out data analytics, and the applications of this area. So initially, the main question is what is data analytics? So uh, the data analytics is basically the science of analyzing raw data to make conclusions about the information. It is the process to find out the trends or the patterns hidden inside the data, and this uh, complete process of getting the information or the patterns or the trends from the data is carried out by using specialized tools and technologies, which we will discuss today later on. So data analytics is basically the science, the art which converts the raw data into actionable insights, the trends. It includes range of tools, technologies, and processes which help us to find the trends and solve the problem by using the data. This data analytics can shape the business processes, improve the decision making, and foster business growth. These are not limited to only the provided applications. There are more pros to this applicative area. The analytics use data, the information technology, the statistical analysis, quantitative methods, and some mathematical and computer-based models. It helps the decision makers to get improved insights about their business operations, and basically it's all about the business improving it anyways, uh, or getting the insight of the business 360, so to make it better and more strong decisions and strong stand strong in the competitive era. So this data analytics help those stakeholders uh, in all possible way. So we have discussed what is data analytics, but why we are carrying out it. So as I have discussed, the basic points of carrying out the data analytics is firstly and foremost is to have improved decision making, and next is to have a better customer services, because all the business goes around the customers only. So to provide better and better customer service is the prime most concern of this art. And if next one is to have efficient operations. Efficient operations deals with the various operations which are carried out under a business or organization. So to carry out each and every operation effectively, and to foster it in every possible way. So data analytics help in that also. And if, effective marketing is another reason why we carry out data analytics. Marketing is basically to another approach to reach on to the customers. So anyhow, it is related to better customer services also, to present the schemes, to make the decision uh, how to plan a particular scheme and how to reach out to the customers. So whole this process of effective marketing, the decision making, all these are concerned or dependent in today's era on the data analytics. So in the current scenario, in the trends of data science and data analytics, we come forward and we go through lots of terminologies and technologies which are currently prevailing and trending. So here are some technologies which are currently in the trend, and also this represents those methodologies which can be helpful to uh, carry out those processes. Like we are having deep learning, which is a technique for implementing machine learning. Then machine learning, which is another vast area which comprises of deep learning. It's an approach to achieve the artificial intelligence, and uh, the superset of all the artificial intelligence is basically the approach of human intelligence exhibited by machines. So all these areas, the trending areas, are dependent on the methodologies of today's era, the data mining approach, the data analytics, in which we discover, we interpret and communicate our meaningful patterns and insight of the data. Then we have a data analysis, which is another major concept, which involves inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling the data. And above all, the very trending methodology, the approach of data science, which involves scientific methods, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge or insight from the data, or the current scenario, we can say the big data. So anyhow, this approaches or these technologies have evolved over the years, starting from 1950s and the current era. So along with these technologies and methodologies, the concept of data has also evolved. So the data has now converted into big data. Uh, Apart from these, there are certain trending roles also in this field, which we usually confuse with, or we have a certain perspective about the future, the professional perspective about the future. So we are having a data engineer, which is a person or a professional role which is responsible for preparing the foundation of the data scientist. They prepare the data for the use of the data scientist to carry out their work. The data scientist is the person which analyzes the data to identify patterns and trends to deliver the recommendation for the future. And the data analyst, which the person who analyzes the data, summarizes the insights in the visual form, so that we can conduct those results or we can project those results to the decision makers in the best possible way. Now, next is the types of the data analytics. The the data analytics is basically categorized into four major categories. The descriptive data analytics, which tells you what is happening inside the business or the organization. Uh, the second one, which is again the superset of descriptive, tells you why is it happening. We diagnose the root cause, and uh, it provides you the ability to isolate all confounding information. Next, the third type is predictive type of data analytics, which tells us what is likely to happen, uh, mm, the predictive way, so that we can move we can take certain decisions and move from the future perspective. And the last one, the fourth type, is prescriptive type, which recommends you actions and strategies. So it tells us what we need to do at a certain condition, or at a certain diagnosed root cause. So it prescribes the actions, and hence this recommendation feature makes this type of data analytics above all. So the diagram clearly says the hierarchy of all the types of data analytics, in which the descriptive type is the smallest one, because it only tells you the happenings, the live, the comprehensive and accurate data. And the next one is diagnostic types, which again it moves a step further, gives you diagnosis the root cause, and then the predictive and prescriptive one, which includes the analytics as a whole part, apart from finding what is happening, why is it happening, and what is likely to happen. It suggests us from the future perspective also. These analytics have certain capabilities, as we have discussed and we have seen. The capabilities are also moving from, as per the diagram we have seen in the previous slide, that the information, the difficulty level, the value level, on these parameters, the types of analytics move in a hierarchical way. So the descriptive analytics and diagnostic type provides you hindsight information. Then we move towards insight information, and from this information part, we move towards the optimization, which provides you the foresight of the situation or the problem or the hypothesis for which we are carrying out the analytics. Generally, we talk about business analytics or business intelligence and big data analytics. All these terms are used simultaneously. So, in case of business intelligence, it focuses on descriptive diagnostic analysis. The big data analytics is predictive analysis, focuses on data science. It works on large data scale, large data sets, more type of data, the raw data, the complex models. While the data set in traditional analytics or business intelligence model is limited, it is clean, it is structured, simple models, and support what happened, why is it happened. So big data analytics is kind of more into the higher level of analytics as compared to the traditional analytics, which we coin as in the term of business intelligence. The tools, in the current scenario, the data analytics tools are numerous. In numbers of tools and technologies are available for carrying out this process. So here are some tools which can help us to carry out this analytics part. We have R, we have Python, we have Excel, Power BI, Splunk, Spark. Uh, Nothing sort of package which can carry out this analytics thing, and it's up to you, it's up to your choice what we pick and in which scenario we are and for what problem we are carrying out the analytics part. Next is the steps of carrying out the data analytics. The steps of data analytics are summarized in 5 pointers. First, define why we need to carry out the analytics. So here we need the objectives of carrying out the data analytics, the problem part. So the hypothesis for which we are working, then concerning to that problem, we need to collect the data from the sources, which makes the second step of the data analytics part. Then after collecting the data from the different sources, we need to clean the unnecessary data. We need to remove the inconsistencies, the missing data, the inaccurate data, and then proceed towards analyzing the data, which is the fourth step, uh, with the clean data which we have get from the third step of the analysis. And the final step, after analyzing the data, we interpret the results, we visualize the data, and apply them into our decisions. We carry out decisions as per for what the problem we are carrying out the process. We need to apply those decisions, those conclusions, and move forward. So, in the last, the applications of data analytics, the major key areas where we can use this approach to get best in all possible way. So there's nothing left out in this scenario, current scenario. There's not even a single area which is not carrying out the data analytics. So here, these are some limited areas, but in the current scenario, not even a single area is left where we can't use data analytics. Uh, whether it is transportation, education, logistics, healthcare, retail, banking. So all of the areas carry out analytics so that they can get insights of what is happening and why a particular situation is happening and what would we like if we take certain actions. We need to plan certain decisions or certain policies. So in all the major areas, in all the areas of today's uh, uh, life, we use data analytics, and it is a prime topic or prime trending concern, which helps us to get the insight into the business in every possible way. So uh, that is it for today from my side. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.